Gavumenti ezise Alex Mukulu mu bitiibwa. Bamukubidde emizinga ne gita yagenze nayo. Maama asanjaza abaana be bataano, babiri bafu, basatu bali ku kitanda naye ali mulago.
Ayingidde mu kisenge kya maama naye oluggi lwa maama twasambye obusambi kubona lwabadde yeekaliddeyo. Netwamutuukidde era ne twamusanza mu kitaba ky'omusaayi. Ne tugezaako okumutuukako okumubuuza bye tugenda okumubuuza mbeera ki gy'alimu nga tasobola kwogera naffe.
Minisita agobye takisi enkadde ku nguudo z'e Kampala.
In Greater Kampala and the surrounding areas, we have seen taxis. These taxis are beyond repair. You find a taxi, it has loaded people. When you enter inside, the seats themselves, some of the seats are smelling, the seats are torn. Some of the seats are showed evidence. They are tied with super glue. The doors, the conductor is holding a door with a super glue. The door cannot lock.
Mama Janet abantu bamukubyeko ebiroozo oluvannyuma lw'emyezi 6 nga tebamanyi gy'ali.
I prayed a specific prayer. And I said to the Lord, if this prayer will be answered before Christmas, we were coming close to Christmas that year, then I know that you're a living God. I waited. That prayer was prayed before Christmas.
Gavumenti etaddewo amateeka amakakali eri essomero erinaasomesa abaana mu holiday.
Right, Honorable Speaker, there is a rampant and unregulated practice of holiday teaching that commonly known as holiday coaching that is happening in both private and public schools. Right, Honorable Speaker, holiday breaks were structured by the Ministry of Education and Sports to allow our children or to allow students have a rest or else have what we call a family bond.
Ebyo n'ebirala bye tukuleetera. Enefik Media. Olwaleero wali ekijabijjo Gaza Road omukulu Alex Mukulu asobodde okuba nga agalamizibwa ku bijja bya bajjajjaabe. Abantu ab'enjawulo babaddeyo, baminisita ab'enjawulo nabo babaddeyo wamu n'ababaka ba paalamenti ne bannakatemba bonna basobodde okugenda okuwerekera Alex Mukulu. Gavumenti ekiikiriddwa omukulu Honorable Minister Major General Henry Tumukunde.
In such a special way. For this, we are strengthened. This is why I'm on my knees, to thank God and to thank all of you for everything that you have done. Banange mwebale mwebalire ddala nnyo nnyo nnyo.
Hallelujah. Firstly, the President of Uganda, President Yoweri Museveni. I am so honored and so thankful for such an official send-off.
zo taxi enkadde zigobeddwa ku nguudo. Minisita avuddeyo n'abeera ng'akakasa nga ekikweketo kigenda okubeera nga kitandika okukolebwa okulaba nga bajja taxi enkadde ku nguudo ate empya zisobole okuba nga zijja, nti bw'ozigamira enkadde ate oyinza obutafuna mpya.
These taxis are beyond repair. You find a taxi, it has loaded people. When you enter inside, the seats themselves, some of the seats are smelling, the seats are torn, some of the seats are in showed evidence, they are tied with super glue. The doors, the conductor is holding a door with a super glue, the door cannot lock. The steering the driver is using, the steering is tied with ropes. On Katoke Road, there is that a road called Katoke. I saw a driver when the steering is tied with ropes. This is putting people's lives at risk. Some of them, when you look at the tires, really people are moving by mass of God. But we have also found out these taxis commonly known as Ganyegenya. Even they're using them to steal people. A taxi parks there, they Ganyegenya. Someone who enters, they hijack the person. Therefore, it is a mandate of Ministry of Works and Transport to ensure these Ganyegenya taxis are off the road. You find even the boot, the behind the door, is tied with super glue. It can't even lock. I saw even one this week around the Kampala Road. Abagende Nakawa. The man can't even lock the door. He's holding it. Even that is very risky to the conductor. I even saw one around Mapera stretch. The driver was holding a steering while holding the door. It couldn't lock. This one is putting both the passenger at risk, the driver at risk, even other people on the road at risk. Therefore, we are basing on that. We have brought 100 days of Operation Ganyegenya in Greater Kampala and the surrounding areas. We have given a directive to police. It is within our laws to enforce this. All Ganyegenya taxis should get off the road. These are called DMUs. You get?
Ye maama asanjaze abaana be 5, ababiri mukama n'abatwala ate abasatu bali ku kitanda bapookya na bisago bya nnyina bya maama waabwe. Maama ono amanyiddwa nga Dorotia Namayo nga mukyala munnakenya. Ono naye ali mulago nga naye apookya na biwundu byasobodde okuba nga yeetuusaako. Enjega eno ebadde wali eggaba bonga mu makindye era we batyo omukulu ono kikakasiddwa nti nebbaawe musajja mu Mali amanyiddwa nga Edris Troy naye ng'alabika teyabaddemu nga bino byonna bigenda mu maaso. Ababaddewo balunyumyanga lutabaalo.
Ayingidde mu kisenge kya maama naye oluggi lwa maama twasambye busambi kubona lwabadde yeekaliddeyo. Netwamutuukidde era ne twamusanza mu kitaba ky'omusaayi. Netugezaako okumutuukako okumubuuza bye tugenda okumubuuza mbeera ki gy'alimu nga tasobola kwogera naffe. Ne tumusitula ne tumufulumya tumugattako n'abaana 4 ne tubaddusa mu ddwaliro ku Wenzi Medical Center. Kati we twatuseeyo eri datu nga tugezaako era okugira ne maama oba oli awo alinamuuko akategeera asobole otubuulira nsonga ki baba ayingiridde oba wabaddewo obuzibu kubafa omwami tetwamulabyeko.
Ye maama Janet Kataha Museveni oluvannyuma lw'emyezi 6 azzeemu okuba nga alabikako eri bannayuganda ono ayongedde okutendereza omukama byamagero byamukoledde wamu ne byakoledde amaka ge ne Uganda okutwaliza awamu.
I prayed a specific prayer. And I said to the Lord, if this prayer will be answered before Christmas, we were coming close to Christmas that year, then I know that you're a living God. I waited. That prayer was prayed before Christmas was answered before Christmas. And I thought, and of course the devil was already there saying that was going to happen anyway. That's nothing, it can't be anything to do with that prayer. I said, no, I'll pray another prayer. I prayed another one, and it happened. I prayed another one, and it happened. And that's when I found Jesus. I've written a book now, and there is a chapter that's called I Found Jesus. When I found Jesus, I was so sorry that I had wasted so much time in my life.
Yo Parliament y'eggwanga Uganda nga ekulembeddwamu Honorable Buzambali Blasio Mukasa baleese amateeka amakakali ku nsonga z'abasomesa abasomesa mu holiday oba amasomero agasomesa mu holiday. Kino nno kiweereddwa era anaakwatibwa ajja kajjootoka.
Right Honorable Speaker, my name is Zambali Blasio Mukasa, Member of Parliament from Nansana Municipality. Right Honorable Speaker, there is a rampant and unregulated practice of holiday teaching that commonly known as holiday coaching that is happening in both private and public schools. Right Honorable Speaker, holiday breaks were structured by the Ministry of Education and Sports to allow our children or to allow students have a rest or else have what we call a family bond. But some schools have misused this. My prayer, Right Honorable Speaker, is the Minister of Education and Sports to issue a directive that can enforce compliance, strengthen oversight, and also do some penalties to those schools that have misused this directive. I thank you, Right Honorable Speaker.